children, welcome back to social class. So children, today we are going to start a new topic. So before that, what are we discussing? We are discussing about the physical divisions of India. And last week we saw about the chapter, the Western Desert. So in today's chapter, we are going to see about plateaus. And what is the name of the chapter? The Southern Plateaus and Islands. So first of all, what is a plateau? A plateau is a highland with a flat top and it is triangular in shape. Okay, and since it is located towards the south of India, it is called as the Southern Plateaus. So under Southern Plateaus, we will be discussing about the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. And next about the island groups. So you all know what is an island. So it is a land which is covered by water on all sides. So that is an island. So what are the two island groups in India? So they are the Andaman Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. Okay. So this is what we are going to see in this lesson. So let's see.
So children, first we'll see what is a plateau. A plateau or a tableland is a highland with a flat top, and it rises abruptly from the surrounding land, and it has steep slopes, and many rivers and streams flow through this plateaus, and some plateaus are very large and they extend over hundreds of kilometers. So the southern plateaus are located to the south of the northern plains, and they are triangular in shape and are surrounded by the hill ranges. And you can see that the surface of the plateau region is rocky and uneven, and most of the rivers in the southern plateaus are not as long as those in the northern plains. So they however flow with great speed. Okay, and on their way they form waterfalls. And river Narmada roughly divides this plateau region into two parts. First one is the Central Highlands towards the north and the Deccan Plateau towards the south. So now we are going to see about the Central Highlands. Can you see the orange color shaded part, children? And on the top you have the Central Highlands. Okay, so they are surrounded by the Aravalli Hills towards the northwest and the Vindhya Range towards the south, and the Chota Nagpur Plateau towards the east, and the Rajmahal Hills towards the northeast, and the Malwa Plateau lies in the center. Okay, children. And many rivers of the Central Highlands join the Yamuna and the Ganga from the south, and Chambal, Betwa and San are a few of these rivers. And the Chota Nagpur Plateau covers the areas of Jharkhand, northern Odisha and northeastern Chhattisgarh. And this region has large deposits of coal and other minerals. Okay. So the next one is about the Deccan Plateau. So it extends from the Narmada River up to the southern tip of our peninsular India. Okay, and Alaimudi is the highest peak in this region, and this Deccan Plateau is surrounded by the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. You all know where is the Western and the Eastern Ghats. Okay, and these Ghats meet at the Nilgiri Hills, and many rivers such as Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri originate from the Western Ghats and they flow eastwards, and the Eastern Ghats are broken into small hill ranges by rivers flowing from the Western Ghats, and most of these rivers fall into Bay of Bengal, and this Godavari river is the longest river in the Deccan Plateau. So that alone keep in your mind, which is the longest river in the Deccan Plateau? River Godavari. So next we are going to see about life in the region of southern plateaus. So here the southern plateaus cover the states of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Maharashtra, and these states have rich deposits of minerals such as coal, iron ore, copper and manganese. Okay, and mining is an important activity carried out here, and farming is also an important occupation, and the farmers grow wheat, rice, millets, groundnut, cotton and sugarcane. And down you can see about the wildlife in the southern plateaus. So animals such as black buck, barsinga, deer and birds such as hill myna, Indian roller and about the Indian giant squirrels are found in this place. Okay, children. So, children, now we are going to see about each state of the southern plateaus one by one. So, first one is Madhya Pradesh. So, farming and mat weaving are the important occupation here. And here you have the diamond mines in Panna, and Indore, Bhopal, Gwalior, and Jabalpur are the industrial cities located here. And the famous places here are the Kanha National Park and the Bandhagar National Park, which is used to protect tigers. And the tourist attractions are mainly the Pachmarhi, Sanchi, and the Khajuraho temple. Okay. So, children, the next state is Chhattisgarh. Okay, so in addition to the minerals already mentioned, tin is also mined in Chhattisgarh, and the state is rich in forest products, and people collect wood, tendu leaves, honey, and lac from forest. And Bhilai has a steel plant here, and Sela is a popular folk dance of Chhattisgarh. Okay. Now, the next state is Jharkhand. Okay, so Jharkhand is rich in minerals, and the availability of minerals has led to the growth of industries in Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Ranchi, and Dhanbad. And people are fond of Litti Choka and Tekwa. And Chow is a popular dance that you're seeing in the picture. Okay, it is a popular dance of Jharkhand. And Netarhat is a popular place of tourist interest. So next is the lastly formed state in India. Which is the lastly formed state in India, children? It is Telangana, isn't it? And Hyderabad has many industries here, and some of them are information technology, that is IT, automobiles, and pharmaceuticals. And most people speak Telugu here, and Kuchipudi is the most popular dance. And the state is famous for Bidri work, which you can see in the picture. Okay, children. The next state is Karnataka. Coffee and spices are grown in Karnataka in the Kolar gold mines. Have you seen KGF movie, children? In there you will be seeing Kolar gold mines, isn't it? Yes. So Bengaluru is the major center of the IT industry, as you all know, isn't it? And the state is famous for handicraft items made of sandalwood. And people speak Kannada here. And Ekshagana is a popular dance drama in Karnataka. So the last state is Maharashtra. Okay, so it is famous for cotton and oranges, and Mumbai and Pune are the industrial cities located here. And large deposits of petroleum are found in the seabed near Mumbai, and this region is called Mumbai High. Okay, children. So crude oil is found mostly in Mumbai High. Okay, and Marathi is a widely spoken language here, and Ganesh Chaturthi is a popular festival in Maharashtra, and Lavani is a popular folk dance here. So, children, the last topic will be about the island groups in India. So, there are many small islands along the coast, and away from the coast, there are two big island groups, and they are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. Okay, and first we are going to see about the Lakshadweep Islands. So, it is a group of islands in the Arabian Sea, and these islands are just flat. And fishing is the main occupation of the people of Lakshadweep, and coconut is the main crop grown here, and coir extracted from the coconut is an important industry. Have you seen people, artists mainly, they collect all these items and they do some handicrafts, isn't it? And most people speak Malayalam here, okay? And many tourists visit these islands, especially the Bangaram group of islands in Lakshadweep. No, it attracts many tourists, okay, children? So when all this COVID-19 is over, we shall also visit this Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. Next one, we are going to discuss about this Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So they are located in the Bay of Bengal, and the 10-degree channel separates the Andaman from the Nicobar Islands, and the islands in this group are hilly. And fishing and farming is the main occupation of the people, and rice is the main crop grown in the Andaman Islands, and coconut and arecanut are grown in the Nicobar Islands. And some people also make shell and wooden handicrafts. So I have also seen many people who have went to Andaman. No, they'll be bringing many items using these beads and the shells and all, no, seashells, no, they'll be making lot of handicrafts using those products. Okay, so if you have any neighbors who are there, you can also ask them for information about these islands. Okay, and most people here in Andaman they speak Bangla. And the beautiful beaches and the cellular jail, they are the major tourist attractions in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, children. So, children, now let's discuss some questions. So, first one, fill in the blanks. The Jog falls in the state of Dash. It is in Karnataka. Next, the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats meet at Dash Hills. It is Anaimudi Hills. And the Bandhavgarh National Park is a major tourist attraction in Madhya Pradesh. Fourth question, Dash is the most popular festival of Maharashtra. It is Ganesh Chaturthi. And the last one, the Cellular Jail is in Dash. It is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So, children, now let's discuss some question answers. So, which hill ranges surround the Central Highlands? So, the Central Highlands is surrounded by the Aravalli Hills, the Vindhya Range, and the Rajmahal Hills. Second one, list the minerals found in the southern plateaus. So, they are coal, iron ore, copper, and manganese. Next question, which are the two island groups in our country? They are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. And the last question, how are the southern plateaus divided? So they are divided into the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. So children, write your classwork neatly with legible handwriting, okay? And do your assignments on time. Okay children, thank you and have a fantastic day.